You are on a campus tour. Listen to the tour guide and repeat what they say. Repeat only once.
Welcome to our campus. The library is on your left. Most first-year students take classes in this building. The Student Center is open until midnight every day. You'll find quiet study spaces on the second floor. If you get lost, use the university app to find your way. You'll probably spend a lot of time in the library during your first semester.
Great job. Keep practicing a little every day, and you'll see real progress. If you'd like to support English Hack and see more practice videos like this, comment hacked below. We'll keep making helpful videos to help you hack your English. Please consider subscribing, liking this video, and leaving a hype. See you in the next practice with English Hack.
English Hack.